we'll go to google.com and write download Selenium. We'll click on the first link and then we'll click on this. So the current release version is 2.1.6. So we'll download this Java release version. We'll click on download and it will download a RAR file. So we'll extract this RAR file and it will come up like this. So these are the two jar files that we need to include, and these are the library files that we need to include in our project. Now I'll go to the Eclipse and we'll create a new WebDriver project. So we'll name the project as, select the Java project and we'll give the name as WebDriver project and we'll click on finish. So under the WebDriver project we'll create a new class and give the name of the class as WebDriver module 1 and we'll click on finish. Remove these. So now first of all we'll go to the Java doc and look for the WebDriver interface. So look for the WebDriver interface. Okay, here it is. So we'll click on this. So this is the WebDriver interface. These are the classes that WebDriver implements. So it works on Android. So these are it works on the IP phone driver. So these are certain like classes that WebDriver interface implements, which RC does not implement. So when working with WebDriver, you can automate Android based testing, you can automate mobile phone applications as well. So these are the methods, provided under WebDriver interface. So the get title method helps to get the current title of the page. So these are the mainly functions that we're gonna use while doing automation through WebDriver. So this navigate method will navigate to the provided URL. This close method will close the current window. We're gonna see all this the implementation of all these methods in this module. Now I'll go back to Eclipse. So now we'll create a superclass for the WebDriver interface and then we'll give it reference to the child class, that is the Firefox driver. So this is the Firefox driver, this is the child class that we will gonna give the reference to it. So let's see how we do that. So we'll write WebDriver driver equal to new Firefox driver. So this we have already learned in Java how to refer a child class to a superclass, to a parent class. So we have already seen these things in the Java modules. You can refer Java OOPS programming module, module 4 and module 5 for this. So now I'll click on this and we will, first of all we need to import the jar files, and for that we'll right click on our project, we'll click on the build path and then we'll click on the configure build path. Then under the libraries we'll click on add external jar files. So we'll go to the folder that we have downloaded. So we'll import these two jar files and then we'll also import the library files. We'll select all these library files and we'll import them. So these all library files get imported to your project, and now you click on this. So you need to import the Firefox driver. Now you import it like this. You need to import the WebDriver. So now WebDriver is also imported. Now you can save it, and now let's run the program. So what happens when we write this line WebDriver driver equal to new Firefox driver? So it will gonna open up a Firefox WebDriver window for you. So let's see, the program is currently running. So yeah, it has opened up a WebDriver window under the Firefox.